Welcome to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. Today's video is in collaboration with Xpctd. It is an LED light company. They make lights for motorcycles, cars, trucks, anything. And this is the second video in the series. Last video we did my brother Batsy's bike. We installed one of their lights and it's been a really awesome upgrade for his bike, so we're super stoked on that. And now got the light for my bike, so we're gonna open this up and take a look at it, and then we're gonna install it, and let's get right into it. Alright, let's open this up, see what we got. Got my letter opener. Always want to be careful. Don't want to cut myself. Alright, got it open. This is the box it comes in. So, it comes with instructions. I notice not all parts come with instructions nowadays. And holy cow, this thing is gorgeous. It's got the LED halo. We'll get some up close shots of this. So it comes with the standard setup right here. And then we got three different harnesses that it comes with, so you can set it up on just about any bike that takes a 7-inch LED. So I am really stoked on this so far, and let's get some close-up shots and then install this bad boy. So here are the harnesses that comes with. And it is designed to be plug and play. Very, very easy to do. I don't anticipate me needing these 3 harnesses, but I'll definitely keep it in my collection for future projects. And we got the LED right here. Let's take that off, get a good look. A really cool look to it. Comes with the bracket and everything. And then here's the wires, or the harness that it comes with. So that's gonna most likely install straight into my bike, so that's gonna be really easy to do. Now it's time to install this beast. Alright, we're going to start by removing the headlight. First thing I'm doing is removing this, and it's held on by a screw down here. Okay, I removed the screws, and then that'll be ready to come out. And then I just disconnect it right there. Here's the old headlight and the new. They're pretty similar for the most part, but the biggest difference is the new one has the halo on it, and I'm really excited to have the halo on my bike. All right, now we're gonna install this to my bike. So before you guys get started, I want to remind you guys to disconnect your battery when working on electrical. My battery's already disconnected, so I'm going to install this now. So it just plugs in just like that. Boom. Then I'm going to take the positive from my bike and connect it to this positive right here. That's already on the light. Boom, connected. I'm going to stuff all the wires back in. Then take the screwdriver and the screws. I'm going to take the two top ones first. The two corners, so that way I get it held in place. Alright, got the screws in. Now it's time to install the ring. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and connect the battery and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, brothers and sisters, there you have it. LED headlight install. Absolute cake to install. Make sure you disconnect your battery just to keep yourself on the safe side. And I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Xpctd, the LED company that sent us these awesome headlights. Super stoked on them. See it one more time. Boom. Really bright even in the daylight. I plan on using this headlight for a long time. And as always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.